Hi, I'm Adam Cannon, real estate advisor with Piatt Sotheby's International Realty here in Pittsburgh. I cannot wait to show you my newest listing, 348 Main Street in Lawrenceville. There is something to love everywhere you look in this home. Come on inside, we're going to take a tour together. Built in 1883, this is a classic Pittsburgh home that has stood the test of time. Incredible attention to detail, thoughtfully restored, and modern updates throughout. One of the many things that I love about Pittsburgh architecture is no matter how many homes I've been in, I'm still surprised. I still see stuff I've never seen before. Take this window, for example. It serves as a secret door to the outside living space. Thank you for joining me on this tour of 348 Main Street in Lawrenceville. Again, I'm Adam Cannon, Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. Contact us today for your private tour.